Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about simulation of bandpass filter using Multisim Simulator 11.0 version. So first of all, we are going to define what is a bandpass filter. A bandpass filter is defined as a device that allows frequencies within a specific frequency range and rejects frequencies outside that range. The bandwidth of narrow bandpass filter is narrow. Therefore, it allows the signal with a small range of frequencies. And bandpass filters are widely used in audio amplifier circuits. For example, the speaker. The speaker is used to play only a desired range of frequencies and ignore the rest of the frequencies. So this is the circuit diagram for narrow bandpass filter using op-amp. So in this circuit, we are used op-amp basic components as resistors, capacitors, and the capacitor values. These are used as 4 kilo ohm, 40 ohm, 16 kilo ohm, and 10 kilo ohm. And we have used the capacitor values as 100 nanofarad. And these are designed to obtain the center frequency of 2 kilohertz. So let's begin how to connect the circuit in Multisim simulator. Now we'll see how to connect the circuit in Multisim simulation. So in this, to rig up the circuit, first of all, we are going to select the basic components. So first, place all the components. Go to the option as place component. So first of all, in this group, select the option as analog. Analog, select op-amp 741. Click on OK. So select the op-amp. Next, we require basic component. So select basic, select resistors, click on OK. So first place all the resistor components. So in the circuit we have 5 resistors. So place all the 5 resistors. Then select capacitor, 2 capacitors, and one more capacitor is selected. Then connect the sources, power sources. Select power source, VCC, click on OK. Then we require negative supply, we click on OK. Then ground, click on OK. Then once again click on OK. Now all the components has been selected. Now we are going to connect the circuit. So first of all, I'll connect the power supply. This power supply, it is connected across pin number 7. And connect this VEE. Click on 90-degree clockwise. Again 90-degree clockwise. Select it and connect it to pin number 4. This is connected now. Now connect the resistor and capacitor R and C. So these two are connected in this way. From the C1 connected to pin number 2, inverting terminal input. Then I'll be selecting the function generator to apply the input signal. Drag it, connect. Positive of input function generator, it is connecting to R1, connect in this way. And next is from pin number 3, we have resistor. Select this resistor, click on 90-degree clockwise, place it here, connect it. Then we have another capacitor here. Select this capacitor, place it, and resistor, make it as 90-degree clockwise, connect it here, and make the connections in this way. And this is also connected across this. And these two connected in this way. And the input of function generator connected. And we have another resistor. Place this resistor here. And one terminal of this resistor connected to pin number 2. and another terminal connected to pin number 6, and this capacitor also connected. Then this ground, make the connection here. This is connected now, and this one more resistor, make it as 90-degree clockwise, place it across this terminal and connect it to pin number 6 of op amp. It is connected now. Now make the ground connections to pin number 5. Now this is connected. I'll connect oscilloscope. Select the oscilloscope, drag it and connect the A channel. It is for the input. So input across this. Connect the input. A is grounded and B channel connected to the output and negative connected to the ground terminal. Now in the circuit, we need to change the resistor and capacitor values. So let's begin with changing the values. Here resistor values, we need to change it as 4 kilo ohm. Click on OK. Then this resistor value, it is 40 ohm. Change it to 40. Click on OK. Then the capacitor value, we have used here it as 100 nanofarad. Select it. Click on OK. And this value also we need to change to 100 nanofarad. Click on OK. Now change this value, resistor value, make it as 16 kilo ohm. 16 kilo. And this resistor value is also 16 kilo ohm. And this R5, change it to 10 kilo ohm resistor. 10 kilo ohm. Click on OK. Now change the power supply. It is 15 voltage. Click on OK. And negative. Select it as minus 15 voltage, negative power supply. Now we are going to connect Bode plotter also for observing the frequency response. So here you need to select Bode plotter. Select the Bode plotter, drag it. Here we have one is for the input channel, another is for the output. So connect input to input where we are connected the input, and negative it is grounded. This negative is also grounded, and this output terminal it is connected to pin number 6. Now this is the circuit we are connected using op amp as well as the basic components. Once the connections has been done, first you are going to check the function generator. Set the frequency to 2 kilohertz. Click on OK. Now I'm going to simulate this. So select simulate, run option. Double click on this. Channel A is for the input and channel B is for the output. So I'll make channel B as 0. You're going to observe only one sinusoidal signal. So this is the input. And if I click on this channel B, you're going to observe the output. If you observe the amplitude of output signal is greater than the input signal. And time division here I kept it as 500 microsecond per division. This is the output in a output waveforms. And you can click on this Bode plotter for observing the frequency response. If you observe here, is the frequency response. The center frequency, it is approximately 2 kilohertz. That is 1.987 kilohertz. This is the center frequency. This is the frequency response. And if you click on this oscillator, these are the input and output. You can verify this input and output waveform by changing the frequency like 1 kilohertz, 1.5 kilohertz, and see the variations here. At 2 kilohertz, you're going to get the center frequency. So this is all about the band pass filter. Thank you one and all.